The 2024 International Horticultural Exhibition opened in China's Chengdu on Friday. Running from April 26 to October 28th, the event will host over 2,000 events and cultural activities, showcasing more than 500 varieties of distinctive plants from 5 continents and over 60 local plant species, as well as a diverse range of gardening styles worldwide in 130 exhibition parks.
And I can see that this is going to be a really special and beautiful expo for the public to visit. I would strongly encourage people to come and to see the beautiful gardens that have been created by different provinces, regions and countries. With climate change and other issues, and an expo like this enables people to come and to get back closer to nature and to see that we do have solutions in nature and plants for the future.
My goal is to put Chengdu on the map when it comes to like the Penjing communities and bonsai communities outside of China. I want to really push the doors open and get people to come over here and see like, you know, the Sichuan style Penjing as well as Sichuan culture. Changing faces, you know, spicy food, you know, pandas. I mean that's all cool stuff.